Location sharing apps have been popular for years, but many of them can also be a privacy nightmare, and that's the problem HeyPolo is trying to fix. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. HeyPolo is a location sharing app optimized for families. While most apps are always on, HeyPolo supports time-limited sharing. Family members can set specific repeating times for their location to be shared, or use one-time shares for specific nights out or trips. But when the timer goes off, the app stops sharing your location. And of course, you can also enable 24/7 sharing. You can also set location sharing to include your exact location, a general area, or set it to private mode, giving each family member some level of privacy while still sharing their details. HeyPolo also keeps a log of your trips, but you can choose who can see those past trips. HeyPolo features smart notifications like SOS Alerts and the ability to leave a certain location, or even if their battery's running low. Again, everyone gets privacy of these sorts of notifications too. There's also an emergency access feature that lets someone one-time access to your live location with your permission, in the case a location sharing isn't enabled during an emergency. Another useful feature is drive tracking, which not only monitors location and history, but also driving speed and habits. The app is fully built around the idea of consent-based tracking to give family members peace of mind without turning relationships into surveillance. HeyPolo never sells user location data, and everything is fully encrypted on Android and iOS both. Plus, the app is developed by the team behind Surfshark, one of the world's leading VPN providers. The app is only funded by a subscription fee of $3.99 per month that only one person has to pay. You can create groups of family, friends, or even workmates. You subscribe, and everyone else joins in for free, and it's unlimited. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.